You don't want to look at this inside?
How old are you today?
5.
You're 5? 5. Hi.
5.
How do you say 5 in German?
I don't know.
5 Jahre?
You gotta break the eggs to get inside.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get?
There was.
Another one? Oh, with more cars in it, huh?
This is a hard one. So we have to open this.
Who's that one from?
That's from.
What does it say?
To Nate, love. Who?
Daddy.
Uh-huh. Now you have your own
What is it?
game for the Xbox. Sesame Street game that you can use the Kinect for.
What do you think?
Hmm?
Cool.
Okay. Let's put these. Oh.
You gonna open those little ones?
Yeah, because we got. Whoa, this is a big package.
Yeah. Why don't you open the little ones first?
Yeah, open the little ones first.
Okay.
Gotta get your scissors.
Yeah, you open that.
Okay, I will once we're done.
So I have to get.
Who's that one from?
Who's that one say it's from? Huh? Nate, who's that one say it's from?
Can you read it?
I have to cut this. I don't know.
Who does it say? Love who?
Daddy, Mom, and Dad.
Mom
That's
and
right.
Dad.
Okay, Mom, so.
Pull hard. There you go. What's that? Yay!
Francesco Benelli.
Francesco Bernoulli? Yeah.
Okay. What else is over there? What's that one say?
I can read it.
You read it.
Yeah. Who does it say? Who's that?
From me,
Granny and...
Grandpa.
That's right.
What's this?
What is that?
Our favorite release tag.
And who is it? Who's on there? Huh?
What kind of game is it?
Who is it?
Lightning Queen and Mater.
Yay!
Cars too. Okay, you got one more over there, I think.
Got two more.
Two more.
Two more little ones.
That's market too. Mommy, this is for you to open.
No, you open that one.
No, that's for you.
It's your birthday. You open.
Turn around.
Can you show it to Dad? Was ist los?
Thank you for what?
Oh.
You like that?
You can change it.
Okay. Here. It can be the yellow bird or the pig.
Oh, wow. You,
Yes.
So the last one.
Last little one. Who's that one from?
who's that one from?
Yes, Carmen!
Look at the paper, see who it's from. No, the white, the yellow, the Gelp. Another Gelp. Flip it over. Who's it from? Huh? Who's it say it's from?
Granny and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Granny and Grandpa?
Say thank you. Thank you, Granny, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa. What is this? Yeah. Ah, it sticks.
Yeah, it's called tape.
What is that?
What is that? Can you show me?
All the pop plates.
Come here. Show it to me. Wow. Who's that from?
I don't know.
Did you look at it?
It's
Who's this say?
Nana and Papa.
That's right. So who do you need to tell thank you to?
Thank you, Nana and Papa.
Do you like your octopod?
Ah, his stick.
Here, show the front of it. Look.
Pick it up.
You press the button.
Here.
What do you think?
Go.
Huh?
Can we open this?
Yes, we can open it up.
Okay.
All
Look,
right.
it comes with Quasi and Captain Barnacles and the Gup A and sea creatures and 4 rescue tools and a removable octo alert. You can carry the octo
Oh,
alert
goodness.
around with you.
Mommy.
I bet I know where that's going to be tonight. All right. Tell everybody thank you from the big birthday boy.
Thank you for the big birthday boy.
And how old are you again?
5.
And how old are you in German?
Boom.
Wumpf. Wumpfjahr.
You blow kisses?
Say,
Thank you, Greg.
say, look up. Say, look at the camera and say, love you.
Love you. See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Okay.
Daddy. Mama.
St. Julian out.